Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about creating new project. Project is might be application or it might be a library. Today we are going to project inside a workspace. Before going to explain creating new project, will what happened in the previous session. We'll see. In previous session we have learned Angular workspace creation and what kind of files will be created when we run this command we have seen, and the configurations also we have seen what kind of configurations available in those files. Now today we are going to create a project. That might be an application, that might be a library, anything. When we create a project, what kind of files will be created by Angular, and those after creating those files, how the package.json, angular.json, tsconfig.json files will be updated. We'll see. So here, what is project? A project is a set of sorry, set of files that comprise a standalone application or shared library. Standalone application means the application will run, but shared library will not run. Will not run itself. It requires help of another application. To generate an application, this is the command, that is ng generate application. This is generate command, and the name of the application, generate command, which we are going to create create. It is a application or a library. So that one. After that, this is the name of the application. Now I'm going to create a new application inside a workspace, which is created workspace, which is created in previous session. This is the workspace. I will open terminal using control tilde. Sorry. Now I will run ng generate application. The project type it is. Name of the application is my app. Would you like to share anonymous usage data about this project with the Angular team at Google under Google privacy policy? At they provides a link here related, and that link will explore the details about the privacy policy, and for more details how to change these settings, see, and another link is provided. That link will give the information how to change the settings. uh, this is not required for my project, so I will give no. After that, would you like to add Angular routing? Yes. Which style sheet format would you like to use? Yes, CSS. I like CSS. Enter. See this. These files are created. These files are created by Angular. These are the files created by the Angular, and according to those files, the angular.json, package.json files will be updated. See this, updated. The angular.json, package.json is updated, and the required packages, to these files are installing here. It takes a time. Now all the packages installed successfully, and these two files are updated. Creates a application related files. See this, my application is my under there is a it creates a projects folder, and under projects there is a my app. This is the my application. Inside this application these files will be created. After this files creation, angular.json and package.json files were updated. Let's see. So these are the showing as a yellow color, some kind of color. That means these files are updated. I will drag this photo, to photo. Now we'll open angular.json. See this. Angular.json. Previously there is no configuration under projects. Now the configuration is updated under projects. CLI. CLI analytics are given false. So the option is updated with the false. Default project is my app. Okay. Under this projects, my app, the project is my app. Whatever the projects I have created in this workspace, all will be tracked here. And those corresponding configuration details will be updated here. These configuration details are default values. Project type, application, schematics, styles I have used CSS, root, projects, my app, and prefix app. Architect, this is the architect. Under architect there is a configurations related to commands. Those commands are this is the build command, this is the serve command to run the application, this is the build command used to build the application, and this is extract internationalization, this is test command to run the unit test cases, the lint command used to format the application, E to E. This command is used to end-to-end testing. Under these commands, there is a these commands requires some options. Those options, the default options will provided here. Output path. When we build the application, the compile files will be moved to this directory, and this is the main file, and index.html, ts, config, assets, styles. This is the styles. Scripts, if we use any scripts externally, we can use here. We can give path here, and the configurations, production. This is the production. This option is used for production environment settings. If I run the application in locally, this path will be used. If I run build command, the path will be replaced with this path. This path, has a configurations of production server environment, optimization, budgets, sizes, connects, and these are the configurations related to server. Lint end-to-end test. These are the configuration related to test unit testing. All these things will learn in future sessions. Okay, uh, and now we have created a application, and I will create one more project, that is library project. So ng new ng generate library. The type of project is library. Name of the project my lib. It will create a files related to library, and again the angular.json, package.json, tsconfig.json files were updated, and the required packages installed by npm. It takes some time to install these packages. Now the packages are installed. We'll see how the angular.json file and package.json file, tsconfig.json file will updated. How it were updated, we'll see. This is angular.json. This is related. This configuration related to my app. As see here, the my library configurations are created here under architect. There is a commands related configurations, build and unit test cases, and lint related configurations are updated, and package.json. Package.json is also updated with packages, maybe, and readme ts.config. See the path of my library. Under my library path, list my path, my library. These are the path details. These path details are updated by Angular. Yeah. Now I will run the application. Okay. Uh, the creation of application, the creation of library is done in this session. The running the application in Workspace will cover in a coming session. Okay. Okay, everyone. We'll meet in next session. Bye.